Hi YouTube friends, Itzy here, and I want to show you what I picked up at Tractor Supply today. Work gloves. And what's really cool about these work gloves is that I got them for about $7.99. I had a coupon for 25% off work gloves. And they actually went on sale then afterwards for the same price. So you might still be able to get these at Tractor Supply. And they have what looks like leather on the inside, but it's not, it's pleather. So that's perfect. These are totally vegan work gloves. My old work gloves were kind of worn out and they had holes in the fingers, and these actually have more support on them than the ones that had some leather on them. Those might actually be pleather too, I'm not sure. I usually avoid getting the full leather gloves, and they usually have some leather on them, but these are totally vegan, which is really cool. And it says here, the back of them are 100% polyester. This is polyester. And then the palm is synthetic leather. Not real leather. Yay, no animals were hurt in this process. 50% elastic band with the cuff, and then 50% TRP, whatever that is. I'm not really sure. Tetra something probably, some kind of plastic. But you know, it's funny, you go back and forth. You don't want to use plastics, but you don't want to use animal products either. So you kind of have to go back and forth on that and wonder what's really truly worse for the environment. But I think sometimes you have to look at it more as what's hurting the animals before even the environment, even though that's very important too, because without the clean environment, we don't have life. So, and it's showing now that there's so many plastics in our oceans, and our whole world is just overloaded with plastics, plastic bags, plastic everything, plastic bottles, plastic toys, cheap plastic toys from China are just washing up on the shores everywhere. So think about what you buy and think about the impact of what making the product is. Like what making this product, what is the impact of something like this? Now these gloves will probably last me, I don't do as much physical work as I used to do, but these gloves will probably last me maybe 3 or 4 years before they actually have holes in them, like my old ones I should have brought to show you. They lasted me probably 4 or 5 years. I don't do physical work every day other than massage therapy. I don't do physical outdoor work as much as I used to. But since we're teased with this beautiful weather here in northern Pennsylvania, northeastern PA, it's nice to think about gardening, and it was time for a new pair of gloves, and I found some vegan ones. They're Schmidt is the name, and they're vegan. So if you need work gloves for your spring and summer gardening, there they are, vegan gloves. I'm very happy about it. Thanks for watching. I miss you. I hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Stay warm. Bye.